Hello everybody, and welcome to Cooking with Chris, my fiance, episode 8. And today we're cooking, I know we've done it before, but turkey leg, but this time we're doing it in the air fryer. Here it is, here's the turkey leg. As you can see, much bigger than the chicken leg. So unfortunately we had to scrap that idea of doing it in the air fryer because it just wouldn't bloody damn fit in there. So instead we are doing this. It's got some vegetables there on the oven tray there, and we putting the turkey leg in the oven. I know we've done that before, but there we go. Oh, look at that big old turkey leg there. Oh, huge. And we have some Cajun seasoning spread over the giant turkey leg. I don't know if this is big or average size for a turkey leg. I'm not even sure. What's that, parsley?
Yeah.
Oh, some parsley and sprinkled on. Oh, look at that, it looks so sexy.
Do you notice the difference? Oh, that's good.
Look at that. It's coming on nicely. Turkey. Got the veg, just put some salt and something else on it. Yeah, so it was salt and it was some Cajun on the veg as well. And the turkey's just been turned over. Look at that, another juices coming out. Oh yeah, baby. It's going to be very delicious, isn't it? Smoking! That's the spicy meat of all.
I'm just cutting into the turkey. That's all. So I'm going to help it cook longer.
Yeah, that's right, cutting into the turkey. Helping its cooking journey. I bet the turkey wouldn't feel like that before it was butchered. Oh, look at that, those juices popping out. Nice.
It's not cooked yet.
Oh, but it still tastes nice.
Mm-hmm.
There's a veg coming on.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. There's another look at the turkey. The veg is done now, so we're just taking that out and putting it in there. Look at that, lovely jubbly. Juicy. Oh, look at that. Nicely seasoned vegetables.
Well, I'm not making it yet. I'm just getting it ready.
I know, but I'm doing step by step. Here we got the turkey gravy. I know it's a powder, but trust me, it is bloody nice. And it has some turkey juices in of it as well. And we also have some garlic seasoning being mixed in with the gravy. Hell yeah. It's going to be a true delight. And some more gravy granules in here. 2 different gravies. Bit of beef casserole and something else. And parsley?
Yeah.
Parsley. Progress. Film of how it's doing. How is it now?
Good.
Oh, nice. Oh, sizzle, sizzle. How's that looking? A burnt bird.
Friend.
No, I'm joking. Cook's bird then. Giving the gravy a little stir. Coming on real nice. Here is the gravy. This is done now. It's absolutely delish. Gertlush. Oh, here's one giant turkey leg, or what was. And this is all the meat from one turkey leg. A huge turkey leg. Here it is on the plate. Smegin delicious. Bloody right. Thanks for watching. Please like, and more importantly subscribe for more videos just like this.